Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Poddar. I'm part of Informatica GCS team. As a part of today's presentation, we're going to see how to create Source Mapplet Profile using Fabric Onelake Connector in Cloud Data Profiling. As a part of today's presentation, we'll be covering on these agenda, overview, steps to configure Source Mapplet and Profile, followed by the demo. A source maplet is a maplet that has a source connection and a single output. You can run a profile task on the output from source maplet that you create in data integration, and also you can run a profiling task on maplet as a source object. Before you use this source maplet as a source connection, make sure that source connection used in the maplet are associated with the active secure agent machine. Now let's see on steps how we can create a source maplet and run profiling on that particular source maplet. So as a first step, you need to create a Microsoft Fabric Onelake connector from IDMC. I have already created a Fabric Onelake connection with the name Fabric_Onelake. This is my Fabric Onelake connection, and I have already created this connection. Perform the test connection. The test connection is successful for me. So once you create a Microsoft Fabric Onelake connector from IDMC, you need to create a maplet. So for creating a maplet, you need to go to the data integration service and create a maplet. Log into IDMC and select the data integration service. And under this data integration service, click on new. And here you will see the maplets. Click on maplet and create. This is the maplet UI. So in this maplet, remove the input and import the source. Connect this source with the output. So in this video, we will be creating a simple maplet and use this maplet for source profiling. You can use the some transformation logic and filter joiner as per your requirement, and use this maplet for profiling. In this video, I am creating a simple maplet which is having source and output. Click on source. And select the Fabric Onelake connection. And select the object. Select the warehouse. Click on files. And from this file section, import any file. I am importing this file customer.csv. Select the format. I have imported CSV file, so the format will be flat file. Validate the field if it has listed or not. As you can see, field is listed. It means my the file is imported successfully. Now click on output and output field. So in the source, I am having the two column, that is ID and name. So similarly in output also will be create two column. First one ID underscore output, and second one name underscore output. Now map the source field to this output field. For this, click on field mapping and drag and drop the fields. I have mapped the source field to the output field. Save the maplet. Maplet was saved successfully. Now once you create this maplet, go to data profiling and run profiling, selecting this maplet. So for this, click on data profiling service. Now once you have created the maplet, go to data profiling, create a new profile, select the connection as a maplet and import the maplet which you have created from the data integration. Open this data profiling service. Under this data profiling service, click on new data profiling task. Give profiling name. And select this connection, and in this connection you need to select the connection as a maplet. So by default this connection will be inside this source details, and it is not required to create a maplet connection from the administrator. Click the maplet, and once you select the maplet, select the source object, click on select, and here you will see the maplet. So my maplet was maplet 4. Select this maplet. My maplet is selected. So as you can see, the column is listed here, the ID output and name output. Now select the column. If you want to apply the rules to this column, then you can apply the rules as per your requirement. Once you updated the rule, click on schedule and select the runtime environment. I have selected my runtime environment. Click on save. And run this profiling. My profiling is submitted. As you can see, it's in the running state. So as you can see, my profile was successful. Similarly, you will be able to run a profile using Source Mapplet on Fabric Onelake Connector. So for more detailed information on how to create profile on Source Mapplet, please refer this documentation. And for reference on creating Microsoft Fabric Onelake Connector, please refer this YouTube video. We'd love to hear from you. You can send us a mail to supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us at twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.